Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and greeting to all panel. My name is Izzuan bin Sheikh Sham and I would like to present my paper titled Buck Converter Switching Scheme Using Digital Control. Okay, buck converter is a DC to DC converter to step down a higher DC voltage to a lower level DC voltage. Okay, the conventional buck converter is widely used in industry. DC to DC converter have been effectively controlled for many years using analog integrated circuit technology and linear system design technique. Okay, the analog system have many disadvantages such as monitor a reduced number of signal to save costs, solve only specific tasks, require auxiliary active and passive electronic devices. Digital control in power electronics has been intensively used during the last decade. The advantages are higher increased flexibility by changing the software, more advanced control technique, and reduced number of components. Problem statement: analog technology has many disadvantages that limit the buck converter operation. Digital technology has been considered to replace the analog technology. This project will investigate the ability of digital control of the buck converter using microcontroller to control the operation of the DC to DC converter. Project objective: to implement digital technology using microcontroller for controlling buck converter operation. And number 2, to produce regulated DC voltage using buck converter for DC operation. Okay, buck converter component. This is the overall circuit of the buck converter, which consists of a pulse width modulating controller, which is the Q, transistor switch, active switch, inductor, capacitor, diode for passive switch. Okay, this is the operation of the buck converter. For the on state, when the switch is on, or the current will flow from voltage source to load and back to voltage source, and the switch is off or open state, the current will flow from inductor to the load and through the diode. And this is the formula for calculating the output voltage of the buck converter. Okay, VO is the output voltage, VI is the input voltage, D is duty cycle, VQ is voltage drop at switch, and VD is voltage drop at diode. So if we neglecting the value of VQ and VD, this equation will become VO equal to D times VI. For methodology, okay, component selection, software selection, PWM programming, circuit construction, and simulation result. Okay, this is the buck converter circuit, okay, which is controlled by microcontroller. The chosen microcontroller is PIC 18F45K22. Okay, and this is the value and the component used in the circuit. Okay, the supply voltage is 12 volt. Okay, PWM frequency 20 kHz and PWM duty cycle 95%, which is produced from the microcontroller. So this is the PWM output with frequency of 20 kHz and duty cycle 95%, measured through a digital oscilloscope. Okay, this is output voltage with value of 6.16 volt. This is output current with value of 2.46 ampere. And this is input current with value of 2.75 ampere. Okay, this shows the value for input and output parameters, which is input voltage is 12 volt and the output voltage is 6.16 volt. Input current is 2.75 ampere and output current is 2.46 ampere, and the input power is 33 watt and output power is 15.15 watt. So the converter efficiency is output power divided by input power, which is we get 46% of converter efficiency. Okay, if the converter is ideal, the output voltage will be V out times D times V in. Okay, which is V out equal to 0.95, which is duty cycle, times 12 volt, which is 11.4 volt. Voltage drop across a switch, diode and inductor is 11.4 volt minus 6.16 volt, which is 5.24 volt. Okay, conclusion. This project discusses the implementation of the digital technology to control the operation of a buck converter as a replacement for the older analog technology. PIC 18F45K22 microcontroller was used as a digital controller for the buck converter. It is shown that the proposed design can produce lower output voltage but with lower efficiency. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.